For 6 months we have faced invasion, but here, at Albion, we will make our stand.
Welcome everybody to the February update for Kalidasia Media Productions. My name is Jason, and I'm the creator of the Kalidasia Universe. And here we are already at the end of February. It seems just like 2 weeks ago that I released an update for January. That was kind of odd. But anyway, this time we're looking towards the future. Last month is all about kind of getting things finished up and releasing products. So this time we're going to talk all about the upcoming Colayth Guard. Let's go ahead and dive into some artwork. So the first two things we're taking a look at here are going to be some of the new artwork for the warships for the Colayth Guard. And what I'm doing, kind of a fun little thing, is I'm showing you on the left-hand side of each of these images. This is going to become the new artwork. This is the new art style that I kind of picked up with 2nd edition Heroes of the Argyle. And on the right side, these are the original artwork from the original Exterion Fleets pack where the Colayth Guard were first released. So I'm kind of showing you side by side here, comparing new to old, just for a little bit of fun. So for the first one, this is the Argyle attack frigate right here. And then, of course, along with them, we now have the Dryden Heavy Destroyer. And this is the big guy with a pair of disruptor cannons that attach to the side of the warship. And with that, let's actually talk about the disruptors. This is one of the first things I really want to show off this time around for the Colayth Guard. I'm still kind of putting together all the rules. Things are definitely not finalized, and this is the stuff going into playtesting. Playtesting is going to begin here sometime in March. I think everything is done. I'm just kind of doing a little bit of artwork. I got my table cleaned off over here, running a few little quick Kalidasia stuff, and once that is done, we're moving into playtesting for the Colayth Guard. But let's talk about the disruptors that the Dryden Heavy Destroyer carries. So here's their stat card. And you can see here, as we take a look at the Dryden Heavy Destroyer card, that the Colayth Guard's antimatter disruptors are basically carrying over to 2nd edition as they were in 1st edition. They have a range of 15 inches. This is the longest non-missile range of the game yet, and it'll probably be the longest non-missile range of the game for quite some time. There's only one more weapon coming down the line that some of the biggest Argyle warships carry that will actually have just a tiny bit further range. But also, you can see a power of 5. This is the most devastating weapon yet that I've created. The Argyl's fire rail only has a power of 4. And of course, this falls in line with how it worked in 1st edition. It was a very brutal, destructive weapon. Which makes this one even worse, is that it's got a new, powerful special ability called Disruption. This is going to be the first weapon in Heroes of the Argyle which can go ahead and cause multiple critical hits for a single gun. Now, it's not going to be a free-for-all kind of a thing where, you know, if you roll 8 critical hits, you got 8 critical hits. No, it's not quite that brutal. That would just be disgusting. We don't want to be able to vaporize ships in one shot in this game. That's not how I'm trying to design things. But how it's going to work, so you have your critical pool of dice. You roll them, you count up your hits as normal, and figure out how many critical hits you did. But then you can take all the dice that successfully did cause a critical hit, and go ahead and roll those one more time, and basically do a second round of critical hits. And therefore, you can potentially cause 2 critical hits per gun. At least this is kind of the idea I'm thinking with. Like I said, this is still in development and may not make it to the final production that way, but that's kind of the feel I want to go with for these really powerful, deadly weapons. Well, there you go. That's your first look at the Colayth Guard here for Heroes of the Argyle in terms of some artwork as well as some of the rules. I think once I get into playtesting here in March, I got things more sorted out. Probably in next month's update, I'll probably have some more cool stuff to talk about, and things will be a little bit more finalized. But until then, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out other random content we have. I actually got to update the hilarious video I did. I did a video of when I did my voiceovers for the Albion Under Siege trailer. I did a video of that, and you can see me screwing up, coughing, and choking. It's pretty funny. If you want to see behind the scenes how I deal with these voiceovers for the Argyle characters, it's pretty brutal, so I got to post that. It'll probably be up by the time you watch this video. So go ahead and check out more stuff on this YouTube channel for weird stuff like that. And of course, follow us over at Facebook and all the other wonderful, fun social media things like Instagram, because I don't have a Twitter account for this game because, you know, whatever. Anyway, so once again, my name is Jason. I am the creator of the Kalidasia Universe. Thanks for watching, and have a good night.
For 6 months we have faced invasion, but here, at Albion, we will make our stand.